Be honest, when someone says MBA, what's the first thought? Too expensive, too theoretical, or just not for you? But what if I tell you there's an MBA that actually makes sense in today's digital world? Hi, I'm Hazel and welcome back to Career Lift. I have over 5 years of experience in digital marketing, and today let's talk about MBA in digital marketing, who it's for and whether it's actually worth it. Now, MBA in digital marketing उन लोगों के लिए है जिन्हें business plus marketing plus digital skills एक पैकेज में सीखना चाहते हैं. You learn brand management, consumer behavior, marketing strategy, analytics, SEO, performance marketing, automation, basically the why behind marketing and the how behind results. Now let's answer the real question. Who should actually do an MBA in digital marketing? If you see yourself in leadership roles like marketing manager, brand strategist, growth lead, or even starting your own agency, this degree makes sense. It's for people who don't just want to execute tasks but want to plan, manage, and scale campaigns. Another big reason people choose MBA is long-term growth. Compared to short-term courses, MBA graduates usually move faster into managerial positions. हाँ, time और investment ज़्यादा होता है, but if you do it right, the returns can be worth it. But let me be very honest with you. Not every MBA in digital marketing is worth it. अगर कोर्स outdated है, सिर्फ थ्योरी है, लाइव प्रोजेक्ट्स नहीं है, टूल्स नहीं सिखाए जा रहे हैं, then honestly skip it. A good MBA should give you internships, real campaigns, industry mentors, and placement support that actually makes sense. Also, a quick reminder: no degree can guarantee success. Your growth still depends on how much you practice, experiment, and upgrade your skills outside the classroom. So, if you want a structured degree, strong business fundamentals, leadership opportunities, and real digital marketing skills, MBA in digital marketing can be a solid move. And if you're searching for a digital marketing institute that focuses not just on knowledge but also on real skills, confidence, and high-paying job opportunities, then I have added the link in description below. Do check it out. If this video helped you, like it, share it with that friend who's still confused about their career, and subscribe to Career Lift. I'm Hazel and I'll see you in the next video.